Yeah, Jayalakshmi, as I joined here as a HR TA Talent Acquisition Associate 3, and then it's been 3 months and I've moved to a role called TA Lead now. So where I have 3 people reporting to me, and we've been hopefully to work, to work as a team. So we are looking forward. Well, myself Jaya, as you said, I'm very impressed with the session, and being part of this kind of programs, it is kind of a chance for me to elevate myself, enhance myself to the new world altogether as a leader in an organization, position myself with as per the company and organization and ethical, when it comes to values, carrying my values, personal values and the professional values. It helped in both the term to balance my personal life as well as my work life. So that way it added very much interesting point that Mr. Madana has covered with very intellectual points. That is appreciated. Yes, there are many actually, but to list out few, that one touching my heart is humility and humanity, integrity of the company, as Mr. Rehman said and very rightly put across to the people. It is very thoughtful. Not every organization follow this kind of thought process when it comes to human emotions. I see there is a Hudson robot called Sophia, been recently introduced to Mumbai, and that robo has been implemented with a lot of human emotions. So likewise in an organization, it is it's a system. So if you bring in more emotions in the system, that works much better in terms of results. Working as an individual makes difference, and working as a team makes much difference, with a lot of more emotionals and thought process and ideology. That is where we are in today, transforming lives. So that is absolutely great. Definitely, see, today we are associate, grade 1, grade 2, it could be grade level based. But in tomorrow's life, as Ratan Tata say in one of his Make a Difference speech, today's young generation is tomorrow's leaders, right? So I am looking from that perspective. Why don't I be one of the leaders list tomorrow of UST? So organization level, it will definitely have a great impact. Being myself, positioning myself as a leader. Leader terms is not only being as an owner, but putting others first and bringing more effort and giving chances to others, as well as to put forward my best skills across.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.